Ishana Sivakumar and you're watching my channel Just Add Knowledge. When it comes to desserts, ice creams are the best and most favorite one for many. Ice cream is nothing but happiness. It brings us joy as it enters our mouth. There are so many varieties of ice creams across the globe. Each one is made with unique ingredients, methods and flavors. If you would like to know more about them, stay tuned. A hearty welcome to the newcomers and do subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Spaghettieis from Germany. Fashioned to look like spaghetti, this German ice cream is a creative invention by Dario Fontanella. It is made from passing vanilla ice cream through a potato ricer and topping it with strawberry sauce and white chocolate shaving. Number 2. Gelato from Italy. The creamy, light dessert with a smooth, silky texture is the Italian counterpart of ice cream. It has an intense taste and is available in many refreshing flavors. If you are craving something refreshing and healthy, gelato is the best option. Number 3. Cheese ice cream from Philippines. This is not a joke. Cheddar cheese ice cream is very real. In Philippines, cheese is actually a classic ice cream flavor, as normal as chocolate or vanilla. But unlike most ice cream flavors, this one's salty and sweet. Number 4. Raspado from Mexico. The Mexican raspado is a handcrafted marvel of shaved ice, fresh fruits and flavoring syrup. It can be topped with chocolate chips, pickles, spices, condensed milk or sometimes ice cream. They offer a burst of flavor and can be sweet, savory, spicy or all three. Number 5. Dondurma from Turkey. Have you ever had a stretchy, taffy-like consistency ice cream? Here you go. Turkey's traditional ice cream, called dondurma, are rather firm and chewy. When you are in Istanbul, this should be high upon your list of things. Number 6. Halwa ice cream from Israel. The sweet, icy quintessential Middle East treat, halwa is a dense confection made from smashing sesame seeds into a paste and sweetened with honey. Pistachio, black sesame, white chocolate, raspberry, marble and mixed chocolate flavors are utterly addictive. Number 7. Mochi Ice Cream from Japan. Mochi ice cream builds on the tradition of classic mochi by using sticky, chewy skin made of glutinous rice to encase a ball of ice cream. The result is a delicious, multi-textured dessert that perfectly fuses Eastern and Western culinary traditions. Number 8. Ice Keekan from Malaysia. The thirst-quenching concoction, Ice Keekan from Malaysia, is made of shaved ice, red beans, grass jelly and sweet syrup. This wacky dessert is topped with sweet corn, peanuts, condensed milk, mango, durian, gula melaka syrup, basil seeds and sendal. Number 9. A Qtip from Alaska. Also known as Eskimo ice cream, this delicacy is made with animal fat combined with sugar and white berries like blueberries, cranberries, salmon berries, crowberries or cloudberries. Alaska natives have thrived on this for thousands of years. Number 10. Qtip from Thailand. This stir-fried or rolled ice cream is different in that you can watch it being made. A cream mixture is poured onto a cold plate-like machine mixed with toppings and frozen. It's then scraped into rolls with a metal spatula and then topped with berries and Twizzlers. Hope you all got a taste of the world's finest frozen delights. These delightful delicacies are nevertheless a must-try. But still, no other ice cream in the world can beat the Indian kulfi. Keep these in mind and when you visit these places, make sure to give these ice creams a try. If you enjoyed my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Just Add Knowledge. And before that, do check out my Insta page, link in description. This is me, Ishana Sivakumar, signing out for today. Toodles!